no mechiano ene anope within the prophet Roja.
Ebusian for aha Ghana Asem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribing, turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for aïe. Aujourd'hui, ça va faire chaud ici, quoi. That's French. Many of you don't know that I speak French as well, eh? I speak French fluently. Ouais, la façon dont je parle anglais, là, je peux parler le français là, de la même façon, quoi. Donc, si vous me voyez là, vous me donnez quelque chose. Tu vois, l'argent n'aime pas le bruit. So that's what I was saying, that yes, the same way I speak English fluently, by the grace of God, I speak French also the same way. Now, ebusian for, enko ni asem this way. You are see we own share. Say, uye bibi editia we young kwa. Usu nim say, esa who say, obi so bet my is our same thing editia. Say, ko back pram po say we young ni sa hondia, and that is how we sa come out or the bet your cano. Obi so be yes the same thing to you. Now, say, NDC for no man so down, no man down when you say, never be ba, I'm almost be a year or more primaries. As a man soon die, no moon name say, Sam Renebeba. And when MPP was going to do a primaries, no. Omako shisha asofo 4B echi. I'm almost shenkom boni. A Democrat mitro book. Ani nyina no uko kikai insensem sema na o book ni ma. Ase on person mu di pampa mu eba MPP mu. Oti mu ye wenyi na ewie. Manyame on boni. MPP was able to navigate through all of that peacefully until 31st January. Yakwa ko to aba yakwa tu nso no. And then MPP your flag bearer. So you see Jack, I'm sorry I'm calling election now. You're your flag bearer. Afe, what NDC4 failed to know is for over 35 years of our existence, no, they have not really had any competition for a flag bearer election. And it's a problem, remember, a NDC no problem no best start. Yes, sir. Now, where we have reached now, baby, I was to say, no. As of for NDC for a show michi, some bump or mushenkom, boneditia Bawumia no. Omuna masa babonte mubi. Also for a friend of Prophet Roja, or the names of Yako Shenicha so Bian Shenichi. But Ghana for be say, onu de won't come kwano. Oshe. I don't know about that. But what I know is say, from videos where I was available, I share company pe abem. South of us nation or share concept Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be winning. Primaries no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia winning. Na ene South of Wakotena Onua Tv I can say. The general of generals, the people's general, the mosquito general. Johnson Asiedu Nketiah. Yes, so say Asiedu Nketiah by kweku. It's Johnson kweku Asiedu Nketiah. Want to be kofi there. Right? Or see, ebeya sikado do spend this or the campaign na no ebeya on fanko to baby na on winnie. Or say Asiedu Nketiah on winnie. Oye den ope oko bompa oko su ope kro su moja enya ade abe wini general aye mi boni ben ya generally ye thank you toy oye mi boni be amusi on wini ete bu jam for latest no yes Asiedu Nketiah no de oye bia no emfa eti yesi nipa abe wini no Julius Debra. Sana nyami soft nyami different person ochre. Se nipa wenya favor no obe wini yes no so ombeto aba ne be favor no Julius Debra chief of staff nti o see Julius Debra start so be campaign na ebe butu media family NDC for pair omo pair Dr. John Mahama Crown almost fan babio. No matter what they do, Bawumia be winning. And even the family, omo pe crown ko fa sorabo foba. On be lose. Let's listen to Prophet Roja. But before the negotiation for for our studio project no. Now ban the screen as here. Kito bi anso yeda masisi na me de bia. Now let's listen.
Dr. Bawumia dear. And this is the university chairman general and nam no your campaign tour.
Pacho, I chairman general papa no or Dennis I say.
Asiedu Nketiah.
Okay. Me penase mo.
Is in a comfortable lead at the NDC?
Well, Papa, I don't want to talk much about it today.
Okay.
But the American say, baby, I Papa, chief of staff will be Amichiano.
Hey.
Baby, I Papa, chief of staff Julius Debra. Or will be Mechiano and Anope within the prophet Roja.
Me bisa Asiedu Nketiah.
And I'm also Mechia chief of staff.
Na me bisa Asiedu Nketiah. You say ono na ebe lead NDC ana. Susumu wiase because what Dr. Bawumia de enkom. Emma ne beye dede. In fact, attacks cry to say attack on radio in the form and the boss. He won convincingly. And that way so dear. Chairman General, Chief of Staff, Julius Debra, Ato so force. Ato force. Also force.
When I have finance minister.
Oh, we deal with Emma Eriko Pokusu deal.
Okay.
Omo Baba contest no.
Me can be honorable Aduchum. The council be say papa no say me papa no he's a very good man ma kon ne hoda e ka che ne se ulumai kakra wo ho no mane na ho
me fa ko tie school fees
e ka che ne me nye nipa no mienu miensa bi hia me can the same thing kire wo obetimi abobodin na aboboye no
me Ato Force finance minister Eriko Poku that is a Greek minister and Julius Debra chief of staff and the Sansu War chairman general Justice Asiedu Nketiah
okay
and Kofi Amabo and to me ni ti
okay
and me yen to me hu ye
et yemfa number 3 nya adwuma wa asia me the 3 numbers here there
okay
I will come at the right time
okay
but the 3 numbers here there yemfa Asiedu Nketiah
okay
in free now yemfa Asiedu Nketiah number 3 Ato Force number 2 chief of staff number 1 yemfa ne say we are number 3 numbers am dey here there yeah we can they can now can and then they work but work et you know me chief of staff me say repeat me chief of staff but me ba be kasa about NDC promise but this is aye court is saying me can the same thing say enye gidi aye boko Dr. Bawumia ba we promise no very simple and sa na call ye et papa say who be sure about NDC promise on beto ne da ben
for now omunya fa date me ba omo be start to branch executives ne accord the constituency
but I believe say be 2027
yes be next year
so the number 7 if favor ba akopa
number 7 no be favor ba
akopa but the aka ya kukoduro amasa nipa onya di akukoduro ni pia no ana no opa ye dede o be wonsa be tofo so be a chief of staff will be Amichiano
kadidi so for Roja
also opening
we dey boy me mum dey na be bisa chairman general
okay
but that's all chief of staff
Machiano base is time
yes Ato Force kra de onya nchiano kra
finance minister okay ono so baby will be Amichiano and Amichiah papa Asiedu Nketiah
okay you see Asiedu Nketiah na ekọ thank you to onya president obedi NDC for betra man na flag bearer na
thank you to us in Sebia why we ni bibi and
I say Ona na ye chairman.
And omobua no man e
woni. Omobua nti okwakode da obi ase.
Okay. Ebla e be MPP promise no kwa abonten aba bi ana dede wo pa ye papa Kennedy. Now or dede wo form pa. I change Dr. Bawumia, and that is the truth. Now o dede wo form say now the wani o to yes. But the American is say I don't want to be specific here. At the right time, no hey na metna. Meka can the woman nyina, but see ya me no ka say nay. Say na ne to NDC for prime minister na. The number says 7 no, in favor chief of staff.
Say and then the year to NDC prime minister.
Say and then Friday ya, yes you am year to prime minister na. Ya papa Julius Debra. Okay.
I said don't know what relax you no crowd say.
Boko say nsu you know.
Na just say the chairman general be bia gina to be yakwa.
Oh, asem na make am. I just don't, Papa. I mean, I don't want to be there. But so push me them. Maybe I Papa. Julius Debra will be Amachiano. We did the prophet Roja. My car same way back 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
So what the cash your home come dada? My
car same way da crowd ya to one. Papa nye dede na enye dede ye. It is a rapture. Bible crowd temu da ba wakanya enye. So he is coming.
Bible nini?
Bible nini?
Atemu da ba.
O kan henfa. Revelation and Genesis. Because what can I answer sorry? Obe pie plekope. Eye boom.
I see.
Obe pie plekope. Onya pie anu anu. Muza me share number bi wo but one share number no so.
1 2 3.
Ma share number bi wo ho no. Me ba be kan number no one sem.
Okay. Nti ehwe num se da bay.
Yeah. With time, mate.
Okay.
Crowds ni MBA.
Okay.
They say we'll be a tour.
Okay.
Apa election ya physical. Obi obeka say election ya physical bi ana ni mu ha.
Oh, I see.
I'm telling you, obi obeka say election. Papa, obi betimi adwale afirifi akogina me pesa mebo obi edin. Ba minim MPB a asema me kan de wonim. Na oko contested by nipa na no ne contest no. Na nipa ni ye sitting MP. Wo free you can so resign and answer there.
Yes,
no unko bi uncontest bi.
Okay, we step it down.
We step it down good.
Okay.
Ana wo push se bi ono ane ba se ne banko.
Okay.
Eti na me nsumi nipa ya make ye ka se ye mfa sika ntwetwe sika ma delegator. One city kapre oni bi. Ene Awurade Nyankopon ya mo bi di mi wa dance ye kire. To ba na mka che se mi hia hwe menya ABCD. Ompe A4 sheet bebre mra ne nto aba no wode.
A4 sheet.
No nipa na no ne ne pre no che na nipa na che 5,000 per head. Na me nipa ya make sa time as me make be 8 years asimo. No ne che 1,005. It is anu ne ade to aba na on the ground so no wadi kan e
Yeah,
well dada.
Yeah, sure.
Ba wonim say ye to aba ni wie ye no. Oweni abana mani oweni abana ma ye ka se wa weni abana ama nipa na no wote so no friend ka che say who is your spiritual father?
Oh,
I say prophet Roja. I say sa brantie na nkasa. I was here hwe ni ye because he is very deep.
Wow.
And papa enye dede election na spiritual. I know there say ye dede ni ade to aba na no nka anka ama obi. Nkankwa say ye dede pa na ye de to aba ankankwa ama obi. But abani ye to ne dem.
I see.
Sanity.
Ma me friend no fancy ya.
Sanity.
Na ene Friday.
Ene Friday.
Na so ye Easter Friday.